Welcome to the next recording in the series of quick notes on Linux maintenance. Once again, we are looking at an issue from the area of system administration, namely handling deb packages. Deb packages, as their name suggests, are intended for Linux based on the Debian distribution, like the popular Ubuntu, among others. By package handling here I mean installing packages, troubleshooting dependencies, and removing packages already installed. By the way, I will show how to list all packages marked as manually installed. I invite you to watch. For the purpose of this recording, I have chosen the Journal++ application as an example to install. This is a handy program for taking notes and annotating PDF files. Let's start by checking that it is not already on the system. As you can see, it is not installed, and we get a hint that we can download it from the available repositories. It is there in version 1.1.1, so not the latest version. This is a very typical situation, as packages arrive late in the official system repositories, among other security reasons. Out of curiosity, let's further list all the manually installed packages on the system. We will use the apt mark command with the show manual option. We see that the application we are interested in is not listed. Incidentally, we could reduce the result of this command with the grep command and simply check if the entry we are interested in is present in the list, but we will perhaps devote a separate video to the grep command, and for now we will focus on our main issue. A version 1.1.3 is published on GitHub, so we have a very good opportunity to practice installing deb packages manually. First, however, we will download it using the wg command. Once the package file is on disk, we can proceed with the installation. We use the dpkg command with the flag I, followed by the path to the deb package file. After a while, the package is installed, but unfortunately we see that it is not without errors. The packages on which the Journal++ depends are missing from the system, specifically the libzip4 package. This is a common situation, and you should be prepared for it. In many cases, there is no need to panic, as the missing packages may be available in the repositories, in which case we can usually solve the problem easily. However, before we try to do this, let's check that the application is already installed despite the errors. Let's issue the familiar apt mark command again. The installed application appears at the end of the list, so we are one step closer to our goal. However, it cannot be launched due to a dependency problem. The simplest solution is to ask for the missing packages to be installed from known repositories on the system, if they are available there. We will use the apt install command with the F flag to force installation. Luckily, the package has been found, so we will just confirm that we want to install it, and the dependencies should be fulfilled. However, if the package did not exist in the available repositories, we would either have to add some others that contain the missing package, or we would have to look for it manually in the form of a standalone deb package, which also needs to be installed. However, it is unfortunately easy to have package conflicts which complicate the issue very much. We, however, try to run the application again. Success this time. The application is installed and working. We can use it. But how do we remove a manually installed package? As with the installation, we will use the dpkg command, only with the R flag indicating that we want to remove the package with the indicated name. Let's try to do this. A few seconds later we're done. The application is no longer recognized and has disappeared from the package list. We can see that basic handling of deb packages and dealing with the typical problems accompanying their installation is not particularly difficult. A bit of practice is all it takes to tame this issue, which I now warmly encourage, and for my part, thank you for your attention, and until next time.